Darnok Mia Kitchen Faucet Installation Guide. Make sure you have all necessary parts by checking the parts list. If any part is missing or damaged, please contact us. Step 1. Remove mounting nut, rubber washer and metal washer. Step 2. Install supply hose. You can find cold and hot marks on the metal inlet pipe. Step 3. Insert all hoses and threaded shank through the hole in the sink or countertop. For 3-hole sinks and thin gauge sinks, the deck plate is required to cover the holes and provide stiffness. Step 4. Turn the bolt counterclockwise to return the nut to its initial state. Install the rubber washer, metal washer, and nut onto the threaded mounting shank. Then tighten the screws to lock the nut into position. Step 5. Insert pull-down hose into the end of quick connector. Push until a click is heard. Pull down moderately to ensure the connection has been made. Step 6. Install the hose weight on the marked area of the pull-down hose. Step 7. Flush the angle valves. Connect and tighten the supply hoses with wrench. Do not over-tighten. Step 8. After installation is completed, turn on the hot and cold water angle valves. Check for leaks. Then pull the hose out and remove the spray head. Do not lose the filter washer. Hold the end of the hose and turn on faucet. Allow water to run for 30 seconds. Reinstall the filter washer and spray head. Congratulations on successfully completing the installation of the faucet.